Hello, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Thank you for watching this one. News TLC. So what I'm going to be doing is going kind of slow on this one. This is a continuation of some other videos that I will post previously to this one. Try and put them in order as far as how I upload them, so be sure to watch out for those if you didn't see them. I have pre-vacuuming of this room, pre-spraying of it, CRB, and now rinse and extraction. So if you ain't subscribed, you may have not seen those videos. So make sure you tap that bell notification on the right, usually of your screen, and make sure you get the alerts for all these videos. This carpet has not been cleaned for 14, 15 years. Most of it was covered up, but that is a long time for a lot of dust to settle in areas that don't normally get walked, such as under the couch or behind it. So there should be a significant change even on the areas that don't look too bad. So I can't wait to see the end result of this room and how everything is going to shape up. Really something right there. Can't see it, but I can feel it when the wand runs over it. There was something there that was hardened into the carpet. In this case, it just needed some heat for it to get itself removed from the fibers and vacuumed out. This job is a special one for me, as it was actually the first one that I received solely based off of YouTube videos. So that was pretty awesome. And then, as I said, like in the one of the previous videos, they own a taco truck or two in this area in Lodi, California, and I showed up around lunchtime, and they fed me a fresh, amazing taco truck burrito. Thank you so much for that. If you're watching, Raquel, I really appreciate you for trusting me and Black Diamond Services to clean your carpets and the tile over here, which I will be starting on after I finish the 2 rooms of carpet. It means a lot to me, as you're supporting a family-owned business, my wife and I. And then one day when my boys are old enough, if they choose to be a part of it, which I would love, but totally up to them. So you're helping me put my kids in school and do the things that we love the most, which is being able to spend more time with my boys, which I did not get to do when I worked for somebody doing this. Couldn't book things the way I wanted to. was always gone before my boy got up. And a lot of days back after he was even getting into bed, or even just like a half an hour before he had to be to bed. So that's not enough time, in my opinion, to be around your kids, especially when they're young, like mine are. So your support means a lot, because it allows me to do that. Most days I get to take them to school and drop them off, which I don't see a lot of fathers that get to do that, because they're probably working, which is nothing wrong with that. But now that I have that ability, I really enjoy that. So thank you, Raquel. It means a lot for supporting my family. So I hope I get to come back and run your business all over again throughout the years. Because clients like you make the job worth it. You're so appreciative, and you expressed how much you liked the CRV. Got to test it out today, which is cool to see somebody excited about the cleaning and not just the result, the end result. So shout out to you for that. That makes me happy, seeing people excited about getting a nice clean carpet or tile or whatever it is. So I find that really awesome. So like I was saying, going nice and slow on this one. It's been so long since it was freshly cleaned. Just really busy life. This is mostly covered up with area rugs, so not too bad. Good sign. It's coming out. That's my favorite. See it cleaning up. carpet is where it got beat up the most. Traffic wear. It's going to happen on every rug. And the fibers pull from each other. Nap distortion is one way to call it. And so what you're seeing is all the pits in the carpet. And even sometimes it gets beat up real bad, you can have some color loss. So you're seeing all the pits and the fibers. And you can actually clean these areas until you're blue in the face and they look the same. So what I do is I go over them with extra a few times, and then when I'm done with the room, I come back and do the white towel test. And that will tell you if you're clean or if you need a couple more times over, or if you happen to be not using one that helps with it, you use a cleaner that helps with even filtration soil. Can make a difference in areas like this. Filtration soil spotter or pre-treatment can make a difference. But once the fiber wears out, there's nothing you can do to fix it. So you just clean it, go over it extra times, and then check it with a clean towel to make sure you got everything you can out. And with this carpet one, as you guys have probably seen in the past, that little sight glass in the middle and the head of it there tells me if I'm still getting dirty water through or not as well. Not everybody has that. So the white towel test is the true end of it all. Let you know if you need a couple more passes or not. So I'm going to do that anyways, just to see if I need to give it a couple more swipes over it. And go from there. I'm going extra slow over this room, as I said, just because of how long it's been since it was professionally cleaned last. And if I'm not mistaken, it was prior to them moving in. I don't know if they had it really professionally cleaned themselves, or if it was somebody else that had it cleaned before they sold the house. Didn't quite get all the details on it, but that's okay. Dry strokes in the traffic lane section here. It gets less and less nap distortion as you move to the right here. There was a table where I'm basically standing. Most of the walk spaces in the front over here by the TV, so that would make sense if that was the most traveled spot in the room. Alright. Got my clean towel. Might as well just show you guys. See if I get anything. If I do, I'll go over it a couple more times. got was a damp rag. So that's how I know this is just normal wear and tear in the traffic lanes. You can tell it lightened up a lot, but now you're just seeing the pits and the carpet, so it looks a little different. So it's just, the towel is just damp. Can't even get any dirt off, so that's a good sign. So that's what I do for these heavily soiled ones in those areas. Just check it with the white towel. If all is good, then we move along to the next section. One more swipe for good measure. Why not, right? It's technically two more, but no problem. Back over this a little bit. And I gotta get some other angles so it'll be a little easier while I'm not filming. So I'm gonna cut this off here in a minute. Watch the other videos, you know right in front of the TV it was quite black over there where a traffic area where the area road wasn't covering it, and of course in front of the couch where that wear area is. But otherwise, for how long it's been, still got to do some more touch up around the edge there. This is doing well. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Nolan with Black Diamond. Have a fantastic day.